Good morning. Story time. Today's story is about a sculptor. Okay? The sculptor was supposed to make the idol of a temple and the footsteps which lead to the temple using a block of marble. So, what he did, that block of marble, he divided into two halves. One half, he said, okay, I will make the idol with this. The other half, he was planning to just cut it into pieces and make the steps. So the first half, he started sculpting. You know how they sculpt, right? They use a chisel and a hammer and hammer the marble so that they can get the shape which they want. This being a story, the marble piece started complaining. He said, "Oh, it is painful. It is painful. Don't hit me like this. Please don't do this. Stop. It didn't allow the sculptor to make the changes in it which he wanted to. It did not allow him to hit into it. So the sculptor said, okay, fine, let this go. We will make steps out of this. And he took the other half and he sculpted God's idol from that half of marble. Okay, so he sculpted, he had to, when you sculpt, you have to make a lot of changes, the exact shape, the face, the hands, everything should come out. So it was painful, but the marble block kept quiet. It allowed itself to be shaped into an idol. And the idol was placed in the temple. The other half, which had complained about the pain, that was cut just into pieces, not much of sculpting, just layers, right? So cut into pieces and made into the footsteps, the steps which led up to the temple, right? So now what happens? The idol is prayed to. God's idol, everybody comes, touches the feet, they pray to it. It is inside the shelter, it is inside the temple, right? Not exposed to the sun. Everybody offers aarti, flowers, incense sticks, garlands, royal treatment. And the footsteps, which was outside, everybody who walks into the temple is stamping on it and coming up. So how many ever people enter the temple, they are stamping on that marble stone. Plus it is outside in the hot sun, rain, no shade, right? So then that one, the marble in the steps, it started complaining. He said, why am I being given such kind of treatment? The other half of the marble is inside the temple. He's actually telling God only. See, it is inside the temple and it is so comfortable. No rain, no sun, everybody is praying. And why am I being given such a horrible treatment? I'm being punished every day. You know why, right? So the answer which was given to him was, that block, the marble in the footstep was, you did not tolerate initially when it was painful and we were trying to make you into the idol. You did not tolerate the pain. You did not allow a little amount of pain initially. If you had allowed, you would have probably been inside as an idol now. Isn't it? A little pain initially would have led to long-term gain. You refused it. That piece of marble allowed itself to be sculpted, allowed itself to be chiseled out into an idol. So a little pain initially has given it long-term gains. So what is the moral of this story? Write it down. Bye-bye.